Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to automatically generate product descriptions for your Shopify store using Google Gemini. So here I'm running my online Shopify store and I'm listing new products in my Shopify store. So here what I want is that I automatically want to generate product description for my products in my Shopify store so that I don't have to do this manually and it will save me time and energy. So for doing this automatically and for generating content, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And for my objective, I have to build a connection between Shopify and Gemini. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to add a new product in my Shopify store, then automatically I'm going to generate the description of that product by using Google Gemini, and I'm going to update that description automatically back in my Shopify product. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automatically generate product description for Shopify store using Google Gemini. So here we are going to explore this game-changing integration, and effective product descriptions are crucial for e-commerce success, and automating their creation can save time and enhance the quality of our listing. So imagine I'm running an online Shopify store with a vast inventory of products. Now crafting unique, engaging and SEO-friendly product description for each item can be incredibly time-consuming and challenging. So this is where Google Gemini will comes in. So Google Gemini is a powerful AI tool, and with this integration between Shopify and Google Gemini, I can leverage Google Gemini's advanced AI capabilities to generate compelling products description for my Shopify store, and the generated product description will be automatically updated in my Shopify store for each product. So here what is going to happen is that as I'm going to add a new product or I'm going to list a new product in my Shopify store, then automatically by using all the detail of that product, I'm going to generate unique, compelling and SEO-friendly description for that product by using Google Gemini. And as I'm going to generate that description, then automatically I'm going to update that in my Shopify store. So here I'm going to create this integration and this automation between Shopify and Google Gemini, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So for this, what I need to do is I need to just build a connection between Shopify and Google Gemini with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and it will take us to this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. And for that, I need to click here on this X and Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here what I need to do is I need to give a name to my workflow, and I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automatically generate product descriptions for your Shopify store using Google Gemini. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on create. And this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be Shopify. So I'm going to search for that, and here I'm going to select Shopify. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I have this option of new product. So this is going to trigger when a new product is created in my Shopify account. So I'm going to select this as my trigger event. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Shopify with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I will go back to my Shopify account. And here I need to go to settings And here in settings, I will go to notifications. So I'm going to open notifications here. And here in notifications, I have this option of webhooks. So I'm going to open this. And here in webhooks, what I need to do is I need to create a new webhook. So I'm going to click here on this create webhook button. And first I need to give my event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this option of product creation. So this is going to be my event. So I'm going to select this. Now I need to give the URL. So here I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to select my webhook API version. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select this latest version. And now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And I have successfully added my webhook. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new product in my Shopify account. So for that, let me take you back to Shopify. I will close this and I will go to products. Now here in product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product. So I'm going to click on this add product button. And here I need to first give a title to my product. So here my title will be 6 pocket cargo. And now I'm going to upload the images of my product. So I'm going to click on upload new. And here this is the image of my product. So I have uploaded this. Now I'm going to set my pricing. So my pricing will be of 650 rupees. And my compare at price will be of 500. Also, it is going to cost me around 450 rupees. So I have the profit of 200 rupees. Now here what I need to do is I need to scroll down. And I just need to click on save. So here I have added this new product in my Shopify store, which is of 6 pocket cargo. Now here I have created this new product in my Shopify store. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my product that I have just created in my Shopify store. So I have the price of my product that is 650 rupees. Also here I have my variant ID. I have the title of my product that is 6 pocket cargo. I have my product ID. And here I have all these details of my product. So here as I have received all these details of my new product that I have just created in Shopify. Now what I need to do is that as I've created this new product in Shopify, I need to create a compelling, unique and a SEO-friendly description for this product. So for generating the description of my product, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And for that, I need to set up my actions tab. And here in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Generative AI. So I'm going to select Google Generative AI here. And now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and generate content will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Generative AI or Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Google Generative AI or Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key. So here, how I'm going to find this API key or how I can create this API key. For that, what I need to do is I need to log into my Google AI Studio. And in my Google AI Studio, I can create API key. So you can directly log into your Google AI Studio by clicking on this hyperlink. So I'm going to take you to my Google AI Studio. And here what I need to do is I need to create a new API key. So I'm going to click on this get API key button. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new API key. So I'm going to click on this create API key button. And now I need to first select my Google Cloud project. So I'm going to click here and I need to select the project that I want to use and I want to create my API key in. So I'm going to select this my first project. And here I'm going to click on this button of create API key in existing project. And here I have generated this new API key. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here for generating my description, what I need to do is I need to first give a prompt or a text. And by using this text, I can generate the content that I want to use for generating description for my Shopify store product. So here I need to give my prompt, and in my prompt, I need to use all the detail of my product so that I can have a unique SEO friendly and I can add all the key related information that I want to use in my product description. So here my prompt will be generate a detailed, engaging and SEO friendly product description for, and after this for, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the name of my product that I've created in Shopify. The description should highlight the key features and benefits, provide clear usage instruction and convey the brand story and unique selling points, incorporate relevant keywords naturally to optimize for search engines, and after this I'm going to add one more line that will say, create this description with proper formatting so that I can update this in my Shopify account with no additional details. Now here what I need to do is I need to add the name of my product or the title of my product. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the title of my product that I have received from my response of Shopify product creation, and I'm going to use that title of my product and I'm going to map that here. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So what I need to do is I need to click here after this for, and I'm going to open this response of Shopify, and here I'm going to search for my title of my product. So here this is the title of my product, so I'm going to map this. Now here I have mapped the title of my product. Now what I need to do is I need to select the model that I want to use for generating content. So I'm going to open this tab, and here you will find all the models that you can use in Google Gemini. So I'm going to use this model Gemini 1.0 Pro. So I'm going to select this. So for generating the content, I need to use this method of generate content. And now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have generated this content, and this is the description of my product. So here we can see that automatically by using Google Gemini, I have generated this description for my product. So here, this is the description for 6-pocket cargo. So this was my product that I have added in my Shopify store. And now as I have generated this description for my product, so what I want is that I want to update this description automatically in my Shopify account for that particular product. So for updating this product description, what I need to do is I need to add one more action step. And here in my action application, I'm going to search for Shopify. So I'm going to select Shopify here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this option of update product. So this is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Shopify with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Shopify with Pabbly Connect, I need the admin API access token and I need the subdomain. So how I can get these details? For that, I need to take you to my Shopify account. Now here I will go to this app section and I'm going to click on this arrow button. Now here I need to go to app and sales channel settings. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on develop apps. And here in develop apps, what I need to do is I need to create a new app. So I'm going to click on this create an app button. And here I need to first give an app name. So here my app name will be Shopify product description. And now what I need to do is I need to click on create app button. Now here I have created this app. Now what I need to do is I need to first configure admin API scopes that I want to add in my app. So I'm going to click on this button. So here I'm going to search for all the product related scopes. And I'm going to give permission for all those scopes. Now as I've selected all the scopes, I'm going to click on save. And my configuration is saved. Now I need to install this app. I'm going to click on install again. Now after installing this app, I can get this API access token. So I need this API access token to connect Shopify with Pabbly Connect in my actions tab. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal this token once. And now I'm going to copy this token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that admin API access token here. Now what I need is I need the subdomain. So for the subdomain, I need to take you to my Shopify account. I will close this. And for the subdomain, what I need is I need my store. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview my online store. And here I need the subdomain for my store. So here in my path URL, before this .myshopify.com, I have my subdomain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this from my path URL. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab of subdomain. Now I need to click on save. And I have connected Shopify with Pabbly Connect. Now here first what I need to do is I need to give the product ID. And here I'm going to make this tab dynamic. So here for making this tab dynamic, what I need to do is I need to toggle on this map button. And I'm going to clear this default response. Now here what I need to do is I need to map the product ID that I'm going to receive from my response by creating a new product in Shopify account. So as I'm going to create a new product in Shopify, that automatically I'm going to receive that response of new product creation from my trigger response of Shopify. And in that response, I'm going to receive my product ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map that product ID here. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Shopify. And here this is my variant product ID. So I'm going to map this. And now here, as I've mapped this product ID, I have made this dynamic. So as I'm going to create a new product in Shopify, then automatically I'm going to receive the new response of that product. And as I have mapped all these details here, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new details in the real time. Now here I need to scroll down and I only want to update my product description in my product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the product description that I've generated by using Google Gemini. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Generative AI. And here this is my product description. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to scroll down. And I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that automatically I have updated my product description in my Shopify store for the product that I've just created in Shopify. So to check this, let me take you to Shopify. And here in Shopify, I need to go to products. And here in products, I have this product of 6 pocket cargo. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see in my product, I have added this description. So this was the description that I have generated by using Google Gemini. And automatically I have updated that in my product in Shopify store. So here I have created the description by using Google Gemini and I have generated this SEO-friendly, compelling and unique description by using Google Generative AI capabilities. And as I have generated that description, then automatically I have updated that in my product that I have listed in my Shopify store. So here by updating my description in Shopify store, now what I can do is I can review this description and I can make the changes that I want to add in my description. And as I've generated this description by using Google Gemini, it has saved a lot of time and energy. Now no matter how many products I'm going to add or list in my Shopify store, I'm automatically going to generate new description for all those products by using Google Gemini. Now here my automation between Shopify and Google Gemini is working successfully. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have automatically created this connection between Shopify and Google Generative AI or Google Gemini to automatically generate product description for Shopify store. And I have updated that product description back in Shopify. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Shopify and my trigger event was new product. Then I have set up my action step and my action application was Google Generative AI and my action event was generate content. Then in the last, I have used my action application as Shopify and my action event was update product. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.